Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on or enable two-factor authentication on Facebook. So if you want to enable another security layer on your Facebook account, it's advisable to enable 2FA on your Facebook. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn on or enable two-factor authentication on your Facebook account, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Facebook application. Click on the menu icon at the bottom right or at the top left. So on iPhone, click on menu at bottom right. On Android, click on menu at top left. Then you can either click on settings here or scroll down, click on settings and privacy and then select settings. On the settings page, click on account center. Then scroll down to account settings. Under account settings, locate and click on password and security. Now under password and security, click on two-factor authentication and then select your Facebook account. Once you selected your Facebook account, here you'll be prompted to choose how you want to add extra secret layer to your Facebook account. Come here and select SMS or WhatsApp. Then click on the next button. Then select the phone number you want to use for your WhatsApp or add a phone number. So in this case, I already added my phone number. I'm just going to go ahead and select next. In your own case, if you've not added your phone number, just come here, click on add phone number and click on next. Then once you hit the next button, Facebook will send a verification code to your WhatsApp or via SMS, and if you do not get the verification code via WhatsApp, come here and choose get code via SMS instead. So just go ahead and type in the verification code. After that, click on the next button. Once you hit the next button, hang on, and if the code is correct, you see two-factor authentication is on. You can now go ahead and click on done, and then you're good to go. So that is basically how to enable or turn on two-factor authentication on Facebook app. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.